Drowning in payroll paperwork? Let's untangle the complexities of Canadian payroll, so you can pay your employees accurately and on time. First, you'll need a business number from the Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA. This is your key identifier for all things taxes. You can easily register for one on the CRA website. Navigate to the business registration section and follow the prompts to provide information about your business structure, activities, and contact details. Next, choose a payroll system. You can opt for payroll software, a payroll service, or even manual calculations if you have a small number of employees and a strong understanding of payroll rules. Software and services automate most of the calculations and filings, saving you time and minimizing errors. Popular options include QuickBooks Payroll, WagePoint, or outsourcing to companies like ADP. Research which option best fits your budget and the size of your business. Now, gather essential information from your employees. This includes their full legal name, address, social insurance number, or SIN, date of birth, and any TD1 forms, both the federal and provincial versions. Make sure you have updated TD1 forms. Employees complete these forms to claim tax credits, which directly impact their payroll deductions. This is where the math comes in. Calculate each employee's gross pay for the pay period. Then deduct Canada Pension Plan, or CPP, employment insurance, REI, and income tax. Your payroll system should do most of this for you automatically. Ensure all deductions are accurately calculated, factoring in any overtime, bonuses, or benefits the employee receives. Finally, remit your source deductions to the CRA. This is the combined amount of CPP, EI, and income tax you withheld from your employees' paychecks, plus your employer contributions for CPP and EI. The CRA has deadlines for remitting these deductions, so mark your calendar. You can remit online through My Business account on the CRA website, or through your financial institution. Double-check the CRA website for the most up-to-date deadlines and payment options. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Canadian payroll.